In this video, I want to show you how to wireless charge your iPhone 17. There's different methods, not only one, and I'll go through all of them. This one over here is a very basic wireless pad. I'll put links towards Amazon of everything I'll show you today, but basically how it works, it's simply, well, you'll need to connect a USB Type-C cable to the wireless pad. And the other end of this USB Type-C to a wall charger, and you simply have to drop your iPhone 17 on the pad and it should start charging. Now, as you see, it's nothing is happening. So this is because you need to center the iPhone exactly on the pad, and you see once I moved it slightly, it started charging. It's, as I said, the cheapest option, but at the same time, it's not very convenient, since again, you have to be precise the way you place your iPhone, because if it's too much on this side, it will not work. If it's too much on the other side, it will not work. So this is method number one. For the second method, and most people will prefer that way, is to use a MagSafe charger like this one, where you're going to plug this end in a wall charger like this one, that is USB Type-C. This end, since it has a magnet, well, it will simply go on the back of your phone. It will latch in place and you'll be able to charge your phone. Here is a portable battery, and this portable battery has a MagSafe charging pad. So you can use a USB Type-C cable to the phone, but you can also simply bring your phone, and again, it has a magnet, so it stays there and it's able to charge your phone. Very practical. Again, I'll put a link in the description. This one is made by Anker. And finally, another way to charge your phone, your iPhone 17 wirelessly, is to use one of these stands. I simply have to bring my iPhone, and since it has a magnet, it's able to stay over here and charge. And the nice thing is I can turn it around, I can place it so I can watch something, okay, while this is happening. And on top of that, if you wireless charge, or you charge normally using a stand, and you turn your iPhone sideways while it's unlocked, you'll be able to get the standby feature. I can have a clock on the display, and at the same time my phone is charging, so although the screen is on, it's not losing any battery life. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.